Hello, viewer. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Do you know about what today topic? Don't worry. I will tell you. Today, I will discuss the topic Amazon Seller for Beginners, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Amazon is a great platform for beginners to sell products online. Create a seller account and list your products. Optimize your listings and fulfill orders promptly. Happy selling! Setting up your seller account. Create an Amazon seller account by providing your business and tax information. Choose a selling plan that suits your business needs. Set up your payment and shipping options to start selling on Amazon. Understanding Amazon's fees. Amazon charges a referral fee on every sale. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA fees include storage, packing, and shipping. Additional fees may apply for optional services such as advertising or premium account features. Creating your product listings. Use high quality product photos. Write clear and detailed product descriptions. Choose relevant and specific keywords for your listing. Managing your inventory. Regularly check your stocks levels and track sales trends. Consider using inventory management software to keep track of your products. Implement a first in, first out FIFO system to avoid spoilage and waste. Fulfillment options. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA, where Amazon handles storage, packing, and shipping. Fulfillment by Merchant FBM, where the seller handles storage, packing, and shipping. Multi-channel fulfillment MCF, where Amazon handles shipping for order placed on other sales channels. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations on starting your Amazon seller journey. Make sure to follow these next steps: research, register, list, promote, and analyze your sales. Thank you for considering Amazon as your platform for selling, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.